Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add animation into your Canva video. First of all, I presume that you already created some kind of video on your Canva. As you see, I already created one myself. It's just downloaded from basic Canva projects. As you can see, it's very basic. So we want to go to the top left corner where animate is. We press on animate and there's a couple of options for us. The block one is the only one that applies only for the text. The next ones, photo zoom, tumble, and so on, also affects another objects like some elements or so on. Let's use this little bull. Go back and we want to go to video and block, and as you can see, breathe or rise or tumble affects not only the text but also the element that we already put on. There is a couple of ones for premium, but I think you can also pick from the free ones. So thanks a lot. Hopefully you'll pick the right one for you, and thanks for watching and see you in the next video.